Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 14 of programming in HTML5, HTML styles. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the Finder, and then go to your documents. Make sure you're in the folder HTML5, double click this. And now we can right click on index.htm, open with text edit, close out the Finder, go to the text edit file, increase the size of this. And now we can increase the font size with Command+. Before starting the tutorial, we can take all the code from the previous video, highlight, right click, cut, and now open up the Word document, which is on the right hand side of your page. Go all the way down to the bottom, right click, paste, save, minimize this as we will need a couple of lines of code from the Word document, and now we can start this tutorial. In the previous tutorials, we were able to use different colors for your different paragraphs. And now if we go back to the Word document, go to the top, and where it says P style color red, take this line of code, highlight, copy, paste into the body, Command V, Command S to save, go all the way to Finder, Documents, HTML5, right click index.htm, open with Safari, close out to Finder, and now we have this paragraph is red. And now we are able to speak about the HTML style attribute. Setting the style of a HTML element can be done with the style attribute. The HTML style attribute has the following syntax: tag name, style, property, value. Less than tag name, style, equals, speech marks, the property, colon, value, semicolon, speech marks, and close this off with a greater than tag. And now we can move on to the background color. We can also remove P style color red. This is a paragraph. We don't need this for now. The CSS Background-Color Property defines the background color for an HTML element, and we can change the background color to many different colors. So if we go to body and type in body style equals speech marks, the background color, colon, powder blue, semicolon. And now on the next line, we can have a heading and a paragraph. So if we go to the Word document and use the code from there, if I take the headings and the paragraphs, Command C to copy, Command V to paste, remove the ones that we are not using. And now if we go to the web page, after saving the text file, Command R to refresh. This is a heading, this is a paragraph with a background of powder blue. And now we can also change the text color. The CSS color property defines the text color for a HTML element. And so we can say H1 style equals speech marks, color white, semicolon. And now if we save this, Command S, go to the web page, refresh the page. This is a heading, is in white, and the background is still powder blue. We may also change the paragraph color, P style, copy the code on top, p style equals speech marks color red with a colon, semicolon, Command S, go to the web page, Command R, refresh the page. The paragraph is now in red. We can now move on to fonts. The CSS font family property defines the font to be used in an HTML element. And so now if I take the second line of code, highlight, copy, move to the next line, Command V to paste, we can change the color white code to font family. Font-family colon Verdana semicolon speech marks greater than, this is a heading, Command S to save, go to the web page, Command R, and now we have, this is a heading with the font Verdana. We may also choose to change the font size. So if I take this line of code with the font size Verdana, Command C copy, go to the next line, Command V to paste, we can remove the font family Verdana and change this to font size colon 300% semicolon, Command S to save, go to the web page, Command R, we have this as a heading in font size 300. And now we can move on to text alignment. The text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for a HTML element. So now if we just take the line of code that we were working on last, highlight, copy, paste, Command V, and now font size 300% with a semicolon, remove that completely, type in text align colon center. We can change this as a heading to centered heading. Command S to save, go to the web page, Command R, and now we have the centered heading. And so in this tutorial, we were able to use the style attribute for styling HTML elements, use background-color for the background color, which is powder blue, use color for the text colors, use font family for text fonts, use font size for the text sizes, use text align for the text alignment. We can close out of Safari, save the index.html, quit text edit. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.